My question is, in the last episode of This Week with Huzoor, Huzoor mentioned that the ultimate destiny, the ultimate objective for Ahmadi men and for women is to spread and teach the message of Ahmadiyyat. How should we prepare ourselves to complete this journey?
Do you offer 5 daily prayers?
Ji.
Yes. Then pray in your prayers that Allah Ta'ala help you to attain this target or objective, and read Holy Quran and know the meaning of it, the translation of it, and the commentary of it, and try to practice on all the commandments and injunctions given in the Holy Quran. Right? Then, if you are a practicing Muslim and practicing on all the commandments and injunctions given in the Holy Quran by Allah Ta'ala, and following the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, then you will be a perfect Muslim. And if you are a perfect Muslim and praying at the same time, Allah Ta'ala will help you. ठीक है? So this will also help you to spread the message of Islam and Ahmadiyyat. Ahmadiyyat, message of Ahmadiyyat is what? Message of Islam, the true Islam. So this is how you can spread the message of Islam. So you should know, first, you should have a personal contact with Allah Ta'ala. Never leave any prayer. All 5 daily prayers are obligatory, and offer them with full concentration. And then read the Holy Quran and know the commandments and injunctions given in the Holy Quran, so that you can practice on it and spread that message to others. ठीक है? इसी तरह होगा. इसके अलावा और कोई रास्ता नहीं. And that is all.